Hey everyone, so if you're watching this and you're using Cursor or any other coding agent, watch until the end because I'm going to show you how to install the Chifu on your laptop. So let's go to the marshall.dev and then copy this command. Then go to the terminal and paste it. So what it's going to do, it's going to install the CLI globally on your laptop, and then it's going to redirect you to authorize. Let's click sign in with GitHub. Yep, so now we have to click this button, authorize this device. And yeah, so let's go to Chifu, let's go to Cursor, then try it out here. Let's say /Chifu dev guard. Yeah, and it's here. So this skill is gonna trigger every time you're installing package and every time you're committing and pushing code to GitHub. So it's gonna make sure you're committing and pushing code that doesn't have any vulnerabilities in it. So yeah, thanks for watching.